Planning to explore Porto, but don't want to lug your bags around? Radical Storage provides a simple, secure solution for storing your luggage while you enjoy the city. In this guide, we'll show you how to easily deposit your luggage at a storage point in Porto using Radical Storage, a trusted service that partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your bags are kept safe and insured. You can quickly find luggage storage points by visiting the official Radical Storage website through the link provided, or by searching directly online, though it's best to avoid phishing sites by using the secure link provided. Once on the Radical Storage site, type Porto in the search bar to see a list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a convenient location, whether near key tourist spots, transportation hubs, or downtown Porto. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and then proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions for peace of mind. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the luggage storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage. That's it. Now you can enjoy Porto worry-free, knowing your bags are in safe hands with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.